Samsung has long been celebrated for integrating hundreds of features into its devices. However, in recent years, the company has gradually removed several functionalities from its smartphones. From eliminating the IR blaster to excluding chargers and reducing the S Pen's capabilities, some Samsung enthusiasts speculated that the company might eventually discontinue the S Pen altogether. However, Samsung firmly denies this notion. In an interview with TechRadar, Anab Basen, VP of Product and Marketing at MX UK, reaffirmed the company's commitment to the S Pen, stating, "Multimodal usage is extremely important to us, whether people are talking, writing, or attending meetings. Many users rely on the S Pen to jot down notes during meetings. I don't foresee a scenario where the S Pen ceases to be an essential part of our lineup." She further emphasized its significance, saying, "When you look at the Ultra, customers repeatedly ask us whether it will include the S Pen, just like during the Galaxy Note era. At this point, we view the S Pen as a crucial component of the Ultra experience." This statement strongly suggests that Samsung has no plans to discontinue the S Pen in its upcoming smartphones and tablets, at least in the foreseeable future. Consequently, the Galaxy S26 Ultra, expected to launch early next year, will likely retain the built-in S Pen. When TechRadar inquired about the S Pen's relevance in the era of AI-powered sketching and whether its distinctiveness was fading, Anab Basen responded, "Creativity is at the core of our values. If you're creative, you want the ability to draw and sketch. With AI-powered draw-to-image, the S Pen offers an incredible design advantage." Samsung's latest flagship non-foldable smartphones, the Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra, are powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite processor. Many users were pleased with this choice over Samsung's in-house Exynos 2500, as previous Exynos chips have historically underperformed compared to Qualcomm's, leading to weaker performance, shorter battery life, and overheating issues. However, Samsung's decision to use Qualcomm was not primarily about performance. The Exynos 2500 faced production challenges due to the low yield rate of the 3nm manufacturing process on which it was based. Now, Samsung is striving to enhance both Exynos performance and production efficiency with its next-generation Exynos 2600, which will be built on a 2nm process. If successful, Samsung could use the Exynos 2600 in the Galaxy S26 series, replacing Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite 2, potentially increasing its profit margins. Samsung has reportedly established a task force to optimize the Exynos 2600 and improve its 2nm yield rate. According to a report from Korea's FN News, this team aims to make Exynos 2600 a strong competitor against Qualcomm and MediaTek while enhancing Samsung Foundry's 2nm fabrication process, SF2. If the task force succeeds, Samsung could confidently power the Galaxy S26 series with the Exynos 2600, cutting costs compared to Qualcomm's chips. However, whether consumers will welcome this decision remains uncertain. Furthermore, improving the 2nm yield rate could attract third-party clients like AMD, NVIDIA, and even Apple. If this occurs, Samsung Foundry may finally overcome its manufacturing struggles. Reports indicate that the Exynos 2600's 2nm production process is already yielding better results than the Exynos 2500's 3nm process. Samsung views this effort as a crucial opportunity to revive Exynos. It will be interesting to see whether this strategy impacts Samsung's sales performance. Meanwhile, Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S26 series is rumored to feature a Qualcomm chipset, likely the Snapdragon 8 Elite 2, though details remain scarce. Qualcomm recently introduced its new X85 5G modem, which might power the Galaxy S26 series, offering insights into its 5G performance. The X85 modem supports 12.5 gigabits per second download and 3.7 gigabits per second upload speeds, compared to the 10 gigabits per second download and 3.5 gigabits per second upload speeds of the X80 modem in the Galaxy S25 series. This means the Galaxy S26 will deliver 25% faster downloads and 5.8% faster uploads over 5G. Additionally, the X85 modem incorporates AI-powered data traffic optimization, which enhances gaming performance, OTT calls, and Wi-Fi/cellular transitions. With the Galaxy S25 series still fresh on the market, the Galaxy S26 lineup is likely in early development. While reports suggest a Qualcomm processor, there's also speculation that Samsung could power it with the Exynos 2600 in select regions. In that case, it may feature the Exynos modem 5400, offering 14.79 gigabits per second download speeds, or an even newer version. Samsung is known for its exceptional display technology, and we don't expect that to change. Even in the absence of leaks detailing the Galaxy S26 and S26 Plus, consumers can anticipate top-tier screens. The S26 will likely feature a 6.1-inch AMOLED display, while the S26 Plus could sport a 6.7-inch panel. Like the S25 series, expect vibrant colors, high brightness, and excellent viewing angles. A 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate is now standard in Samsung flagships, ensuring smooth animations, scrolling, and transitions. However, it's time for Samsung to enhance its battery technology. Chinese brands are leading the way with silicon-carbon batteries, enabling larger capacities without increasing size, as seen in OnePlus 13, Honor Magic 6 Pro, and other 2025 models. Samsung is reportedly developing stacked batteries, which would allow for higher capacities within the same space. While rumors of Samsung's battery innovations have circulated for years, it remains to be seen whether they will finally materialize. More intriguingly, Samsung might introduce silicon-carbon batteries in the Galaxy S26 series. If true, this could allow battery capacities of 6,000 mAh or even 7,000 mAh. Hopefully, this speculation turns into reality. Don't you agree? For context, the Galaxy S25 houses a 4,000 mAh battery, while the S25 Plus packs 4,900 mAh. Charging-wise, the S25 supports 25W wired and 15W wireless charging, while the S25 Plus offers 45W wired and 15W wireless charging. Reports suggest 65W fast charging could debut in the S26 series, which would be widely welcomed. For Samsung's 2026 flagships to compete, larger batteries and faster charging are essential. The company must focus on battery innovation to stay ahead of Chinese competitors. Samsung smartphones run on One UI, its proprietary Android skin. The Galaxy S25 series launched with Android 15-based One UI 7, while the Galaxy S26 series is expected to feature One UI 8, based on Android 16. A One UI 8 leak hinted at the ability to switch measurement units independently of language settings, though little else is known. Android 16 is still in development, with its official release expected later this year. Its features may provide hints about what to expect from Samsung's 2026 flagship devices. At this stage, hardware details for the Galaxy S26 and S26 Plus remain unknown. These models will likely house Qualcomm's next-generation chipset, though its name is uncertain due to Qualcomm's recent branding changes. As seen in previous Galaxy S models, Qualcomm chips may power US and international variants, while European models could feature the Exynos 2600. Historically, Exynos chips have underperformed against Qualcomm's, but Samsung has months to improve its offering. Expect at least 12 GB RAM, essential for AI tasks and multitasking. Stay tuned for more updates. Don't forget to like and subscribe for the latest tech news. Thanks for watching.